at that beard you got. Oh my gosh, I just thought of something. Recognize that this is a face. Bailey, look at your beard! Oh! Ah! You look so good. You from Hollywood? Are you from Hollywood? Hello. Hello. They just don't know where to go on you, Bailey. I think it's the beak. Just gives you chest hair. That hat looks like it's a little bit big on you, Bailey. Oh! You are just a ray of sunshine, Bailey. This one looks the best by far, Bailey. You should really consider making this an everyday look. We got ourselves a space bird here. Going into space. We're part of the Mars mission. Gonna figure out some stuff about Mars, cause you're a space bird. That's right. Space bird. I am Lieutenant Bird. Here to bring justice. Dang it. Lieutenant Bailey! What are you doing? You don't know how to wear your helmet. You're messing it up. Just wear your helmet correctly. You're embarrassing yourself, Lieutenant. Bailey, you've done this to yourself. You're the one that turned around like this.